हाय वेलकम बैक टू मेरा एजुकेशन। दिस इज़ प्रकाश चौधरी हियर। आज से हम एक नया सीरीज स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जिसका नाम है क्लास 12th आईपी सब्जेक्ट। ओके, एंड द सब्जेक्ट कोड इज 065 CBSE and RBSE or for any other subject for like NCERT. Okay, so we are having this syllabus. I'll teach you the whole syllabus in this session. One by one video I'll post on the channel. So if you are new to the channel, just like and subscribe the channel. Okay, so the prerequisite is our Informatics Practices class 11th. I'll make videos for class 11th also for IP subject. Okay, and the session is, the new session begins as we all know, class 12th 2026-27. Okay, and what we will learn after this course, IP Informatics Practices. Okay, we are having one more course like computer science. Okay, but I am making videos for this. I'll make for them also who are taken CS subject in 11th 12th class. Okay, so end of this course you will learn series, data frames, and apply various operations, visualize data using relevant graphs, design SQL queries using aggregate functions, import export data between SQL database and Pandas. So it's all about Python. Okay, using Python programming language we are going to do all this. Okay, and as we know, distribution marks is we are having 4 unit. First of all, the first unit is carrying for 25 marks, second unit is also carrying 25 marks, third and fourth unit is carrying 10 marks. Okay, and the practical is carrying 30 marks. The total will be 100 marks in your board exam. Clear? And this is our syllabus. Okay, 4 unit, we are having 4 unit. First is data handling using Pandas. Okay, Pandas is a library, Matplotlib is a library, and we are having libraries. We'll teach you everything from very beginning, from the very basic code. We'll do projects and lots of things we are going to do in this series. Okay, in this video series. Now the next is data visualization in the part of the unit 1. Second is database query using SQL, structured query language, where we are going to write SQL. This is also a language. Okay, database language, and we'll use MySQL to perform all these activity. Then I introduce introduction to computer network, which is unit number 3, PAN, LAN, MAN, WAN. This is the type of networks, devices, topologies, and the internet. Okay, this is the this will be a full theory chapter, and we'll practice question as well as MCQs based on unit number 3. Okay, and this is also societal impacts. This is also a theory chapter. It's going to be a theory chapter. Again, there's no practical in this, and we'll do this project work from very scratch, like we'll start from the scratch, and we'll do this project for your 12th class. Okay, how to finish the project. Okay, and project based will be on the program using Pandas and Matplotlib and SQL queries. Okay, and the marks distribution as given, like 8, 7, 5, 5, 5. The total marks will be 30. The Viva marks will be 5 in the end. Okay, and in this syllabus, few suggested practical lists are also given: data handling, visualization, data management. So like around 6 in data handling, 3 in visualization, and data management 7. It means this will be your Pandas library, or this will be your Matplotlib, and this will be your SQL. Okay, so we'll finish all this syllabus within 3 to 4 months. Okay, one by one we will learn, then we'll make projects, we'll solve lots of practical questions and lots of things. Okay, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and share this channel for जो भी IP students है 11th and 12th class. Okay, so thanks for joining. See you.